Chapter 2. Types of software. Topics covered. Components of a computer system. Types of software. System software and application software. Types of operating systems. Components of a computer system. All the physical devices such as monitor, mouse, keyboard and CPU that we can touch and feel constitute the hardware components. However, hardware cannot perform any task on its own until it is given some instructions. For this, we have to install software on the computer. Software directs and guides the operation, input, process, and output of a computer system, the games we play on a computer, the music and video files we listen to, and the documents on which we work make up the software components. Types of software. Software can be classified into the following broad categories. Software. System software. Application software. Operating system. General purpose application software. Language processor. Specific purpose application software. Utility software. System software. The system software is required to control the overall operations of a computer system. It can be classified into three categories: operating system, language processor and utility software. Let us discuss them one by one in detail. Operating system. It is the most important software without which we cannot work on a computer system. It serves as an interface. When we buy a computer, an operating system is already loaded on it. Some examples of popular operating system used are: on desktop and laptop computers, MS Windows 10, Linux, Mac OS. In mobile phones, Android, iOS. Types of operating systems. As computers are becoming so advanced, similarly operating systems are also becoming smarter. Let us learn about types of operating system. Graphical User Information, GUI. A GUI operating system have graphics and icons. It allows users to interact using a computer mouse or any other pointing device. Multi-user operating system. A multi-user operating system allows multiple users to use the same computer at the same time and / or at different times. Multi-processing operating system. It allows a program to run on more than one CPU. With multiple processors working together, the speed of operation can be greatly increased. Multitasking operating system. A multitasking operating system makes it possible to run more than one software processes at the same time. Multi-threading operating system. A multi-threading operating system allows different parts of a single program to run at the same time. Real-time operating system. A real-time operating system is designed to allow computer to process and respond to an input at once. Airplane autopilots are controlled by real-time operating system. Some popular operating systems are: operating system, platform, developer, HP, UX, various, Hewlett-Packard, Linux, various, Linus Torvalds, Mac OS 8 X, Apple Macintosh, Apple, MS DOS 1x-6x, IBM/PC, Microsoft, Windows, various, Microsoft. Language processor. Software are created by writing programs in computer languages. There are many computer languages such as C, C++, Python and Java. A language processor is a software that converts a program written in a computer language into the machine language so that it can be understood by a computer. Utility software. It is a program designed to maintain work on a computer system in order to ensure its smooth functioning. Examples of this type of software are disk cleanup and antivirus software. Disk cleanup. It is an application that deletes unnecessary files on the drives and frees up space occupied by them. Antivirus software. A virus is a computer program that may disrupt the normal functioning of our computer. In order to remove such dangerous programs, antivirus programs need to be used. Some of the commonly used antivirus software are Norton, Quick Heal, AVG. Application software. An application software is a set of programs designed to help users perform specific tasks. Different application software are available to serve different purposes. They can be classified as general purpose software. These software are developed keeping in mind the general needs and requirements of a large number of people. Some of the examples are word processing software, spreadsheet software, graphic software. Word processing software. MS Word is a popular word processing program developed by Microsoft. It allows us to create and edit text documents. It includes copying, moving, replacing, and deleting text. Spreadsheet software. MS Excel is a spreadsheet program that helps us to collect, refine and analyze huge amount of data. With its powerful information and even more powerful tools, it simplifies the task of maintaining and analyzing data. Presentation software. MS PowerPoint is a presentation software that allows us to create presentation with full support of multimedia elements, as compared to traditional formats. PowerPoint has many advantages. We can view our presentation on monitor, LCD projector. We can print copies of our slides and give them to our audience. We can even edit our presentation minutes before the final presentation. Specific purpose application software. These software are developed keeping in mind the specific requirements of an organization or an individual. Examples of this type of software are reservation system used at airports and railway stations, billing system used at supermarkets,